Alright, so today we got a special video for you. My first ever bass tournament. It's about 4 o'clock right now. We're going to go meet Nicholas at one of the parking rides by my house. So you'll get to meet him. He is a awesome bass fisherman. Taught me how to use a jig. So he definitely knows his stuff. Does a lot of hunting, family friend. His family actually owns the place where we parked the last time. So it should be a good day. We'll start it up when we get in the truck. Make sure we have everything. Think we're good. All right. See you soon. So we're driving to the place and I'm like, what's in the road? I'm like, oh, it's a possum. So we had to swerve out of the way. Tires were screeching. We didn't hit it, but we did a little swerving at 4:08 in the morning. So it's a good day. We didn't hit a possum. We'll see what happens. See you guys.
Thank you.
Nicholas got his first fish. It's a nice one.
Take it. Look, it's barely hooked. Sweet.
Dude, that was a nice fish too.
Yeah, the fish I caught was on a wacky sinker, just to let you know. Wacky shinker. What do you got? You tied on.
Hmm?
What do you got tied on?
I got the swim, the jig, and then a pink Senko.
Pink.
Yeah. Ooh.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a little guy.
He's not. He's good. He's a big fish. He's probably close to the same size as mine.
Oh yeah, dude.
More? Cool. Right. Here, open up your live well and grab one of those tags. Like, there's these. They clip, so they go under the jaw, and then you just clip them, and good to go. Any more, sir? Good job.
Thanks.
Nice fish.
Oh, I missed. Nice fish right there, dude. Sweet fish. Thing just came up and grabbed it, dude.
Yeah. You see
Oh,
why? He's got double hooked.
Free hook out of it too. They'll jump out.
Always. Yeah. Always have to, like, grab a phone tag, bring it out.
Here's your swim bait too.
That's some junk in the spot.
Well, I got one. A little guy. Haha. These are larger ones.
Like 10, maybe 11. He's like 10.
Little guy.
Of course I do.
What time is it?
10:30. Lunchtime?
Lunchtime is right. That it? You know, that is social distancing. Minus the people on the boat. Dude, no way. All right, actually, I think I could get away with it right now. There's just not a lot of places to pee.
No. Sorry,
See. Let's see that thing. What'd you catch that on?
Jake.
A jig?
Well, I was reeling it in and I saw him like right at the boat, so I dropped it and they keep eating. I knew it was a pickerel, but I still wanted them to jump it. I keep losing all the ones we jump.
8-12.
Nice.
Justin, you got what?
Hold on.
Yep.
Don't write that down.
No?
No,
I already did.
because it's 9-12.
I was looking at it like,
You didn't know what you had. No, I didn't. But I knew I read it wrong.
3.
I watched you catch that over here in the flat.
no, it was on the rock.
Got a rip in the bag. Over where? Over here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Up on the flat. I was wondering why you kept going around. I said to him, I said, Nick must have caught one.
Yeah, like, I caught two.
5-1. Total weight, 5-1.
Gotcha.
Oh, 9-12? I'll take it. Brian's got to weigh it now. Brian's got to weigh it. He says he's got 4 2-pounders and a 1-pounder. I know. I could get bit.
$9.12, Nick.
I do too. It's different. Yeah. I like clear water fishing.
It's clean.
Yeah.
Put up a Sanko? One of those 12-inch ones? Good. One. Something back there. Hey, there's a 2-pounder under his boat right now. Swimming.
You're under
2-pounder right there swimming under his boat. Try it.
All right, so we just got done with the tournament. We had to deal with some road rage. We just got on the highway. We're good to go now. We have our 3rd place finisher right here. The man, the myth, the legend, Nicholas Franco himself. What was it, 9.12 today?
Yeah, 9 pounds, 12 ounces.
9 pounds, 12 ounces. He had his 5 fish limit. I finished bottom, middle of the pack. I only caught 3 fish. And I had 5.7, I think it was.
Yeah.
5 pounds, 7 ounces. So he got to walk away with a nice little check. Some cash, actually. But overall, it was a fun day. We were out there for about 8 hours, right?
Yeah, it's not long.
If not longer. And it was a grind. At first, it was pretty good. I think Nick caught perch, 2 or 3 pickerel, rock bass, smallmouth,
Largemouth.
and then his largemouth. I only caught 4 fish on the day. 1 wasn't a keeper. So, the man, the myth, the legend came and conquered Highland Lake today at the bass fishing tournament. But it was a lot of fun. We hope you enjoyed watching. Have a great day. You have anything to say?
No, I'm just trying to focus.
That was